ballast replacement procedure for new fixtures during the first year of operation involves several key steps. Firstly, contact the supplier to notify them of the ballast failure within the first year. It's important to provide specific information, including the model number and serial number of the fixture, a detailed description of the ballast failure, and the date of installation. Secondly, expect a response from the supplier, who will verify the warranty coverage to determine if a ballast replacement is necessary. If a replacement is needed, the supplier will issue a replacement ballast order. Thirdly, a fixture inspection will be conducted where the supplier sends a technician to inspect the fixture to verify the ballast failure. The technician will also check if other components need repair or replacement. Fourthly, the ballast replacement will take place. The technician will replace the faulty ballast with a new one and ensure that the ballast is properly installed and functioning correctly. Fifthly, the fixture reinstallation occurs when the technician reinstalls the fixture and ensures that it is operating safely. The technician will also provide necessary documentation or instructions for the fixture operation. Sixthly, warranty verification is the final step. The supplier will verify that the replacement ballast was installed correctly and is covered under warranty, and will also update the warranty record for the fixture. Additional notes include that some suppliers may offer extended warranties on ballast for a longer duration in the first year of operation. The supplier may also require proof of purchase or installation date to verify warranty coverage. If the ballast failure is not covered under warranty, the supplier may charge a fee for the replacement. It is important to follow the supplier's specific instructions for ballast replacement, as improper installation can void the warranty and compromise the safety of the fixture. The supplier's instructions may include specific torque values for connections, proper wiring diagrams, and any specific safety precautions to take during the replacement process. Always to energize the circuit before working on any lighting fixture. Use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves. Verify the replacement ballast is compatible with the existing fixture and voltage. Improper ballast selection can lead to premature failure or even safety hazards. Double-check all wire connections to ensure they're secure and properly insulated. Loose connections can cause arcing and overheating. After replacement, test the fixture to ensure it is functioning correctly before closing it up. Note any unusual noises, flickering, or other anomalies. If any issues arise, consult the supplier or a qualified electrician. Keep records of all ballast replacements, including dates, model numbers, and warranty information. This will help track performance and simplify future warranty claims. When disposing of old ballast, follow local regulations for proper disposal. Some ballasts may contain hazardous materials that require special handling. Consider upgrading to energy-efficient LED fixtures, which typically have longer lifespans and require less maintenance than traditional fluorescent fixtures. This is especially relevant for new construction projects, where long-term cost savings and environmental benefits are important factors. Ensure the replacement ballast meets all applicable safety standards and certifications, such as Underwriters Laboratories or Canadian Standards Association. Regularly inspect lighting fixtures for signs of wear, damage, or overheating. Address any issues promptly to prevent further problems. Training personnel on proper ballast replacement procedures can reduce errors and ensure consistent quality. This training should cover safety precautions, wiring diagrams, and troubleshooting techniques. When replacing ballasts in high bay fixtures, use appropriate lifting equipment and safety harnesses to prevent falls. High bay fixtures are typically installed at significant heights and pose a greater risk of injury. For fixtures in damp or wet locations, use ballasts that are specifically designed for those environments. These ballasts are typically enclosed in waterproof housings to protect against moisture damage. When selecting a replacement ballast, consider the operating temperature range. Some ballasts are designed for high temperature environments, while others are better suited for cooler conditions. Use the correct tools for the job, such as wire strippers, screwdrivers, and pliers. Using the wrong tools can damage the fixture or create safety hazards. When working on lighting circuits, always use a voltage tester to verify that the power is off before starting any work. This is a crucial safety precaution that can prevent electric shock. Keep the work area clean and organized to prevent accidents and ensure efficient workflow. Remove any debris or obstructions that could create tripping hazards. Before replacing a ballast, take photos of the existing wiring configuration. This can be helpful when reassembling the fixture and ensuring that the wiring is correct. If you are unsure about any aspect of the ballast replacement process, consult a qualified electrician. It is always better to be safe than sorry. Keep in mind that some ballasts may require a specific type of lamp. Make sure the replacement ballast is compatible with the existing lamp type. Check the ballast label for information on lamp compatibility. When replacing ballasts in emergency lighting fixtures, make sure the replacement ballast is designed for emergency lighting applications. These ballasts typically have a built-in battery backup that provides power during a power outage. Consider using a ballast that has a built-in surge protector. This can help protect the ballast from damage caused by power surges. When replacing ballasts in dimming systems, make sure the replacement ballast is compatible with the dimming system. Some ballasts are designed for specific dimming protocols such as 0 to 10 volts or digital addressable lighting interface. If the fixture has a reflector, clean it before reinstalling the fixture. A clean reflector can improve the light output of the fixture. When replacing ballasts in fixtures that are difficult to access, consider using a scissor lift or other type of aerial work platform. Be sure to follow all safety precautions when using aerial work platforms. Before starting any work, make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials. This will help you complete the job quickly and efficiently. If the ballast is located in a hard-to-reach area, consider using a magnetic pickup tool to retrieve any drop screws or other small parts. When replacing ballasts in fixtures that are mounted on a ceiling, be sure to use a ladder that is tall enough to reach the fixture safely. Do not overreach or stand on the top step of the ladder. If the fixture is heavy, consider using a helper to support the fixture while you are replacing the ballast. This will prevent the fixture from falling and causing injury. When replacing ballasts in fixtures that are located in a public area, be sure to cordon off the area to prevent people from walking under the fixture while you are working. If the fixture is located near flammable materials, be sure to take extra precautions to prevent a fire. Do not use any open flames or heat sources near the fixture. When replacing ballasts in fixtures that are located in a hazardous location, be sure to use a ballast that is rated for hazardous locations. These ballasts are designed to prevent explosions or fires in hazardous environments. If the fixture is located in a corrosive environment, be sure to use a ballast that is made from corrosion-resistant materials. These ballasts are designed to withstand the effects of corrosive substances. When replacing ballasts in fixtures that are located outdoors, be sure to use a ballast that is rated for outdoor use. These ballasts are designed to withstand the effects of weather and moisture. If the fixture is located in an area with high winds, be sure to secure the fixture properly to prevent it from being blown down. When replacing ballasts in fixtures that are located near electrical equipment, be sure to maintain a safe distance from the electrical equipment. Do not touch any electrical equipment while you are working on the fixture. If the fixture is located near water, be sure to take extra precautions to prevent electric shock. Do not touch any water while you are working on the fixture. When replacing ballasts in fixtures that are located in a confined space, be sure to ventilate the area properly. Confined spaces can contain hazardous gases or fumes. If the fixture is located near a source of ignition, be sure to take extra precautions to prevent a fire. Do not use any open flames or heat sources near the fixture. When replacing ballasts in fixtures that are located near children, be sure to keep the area secure and prevent children from accessing the work area. If the fixture is located near animals, be sure to keep the animals away from the work area. When replacing ballasts in fixtures that are located near sensitive equipment, be sure to take extra precautions to prevent damage to the equipment. Do not use any tools or equipment that could generate static electricity. Always document all work performed, including the date of the replacement, the model number of the replacement ballast, and any other relevant information. This documentation can be helpful for future maintenance or warranty claims. Consider using a ballast that has a long lifespan. This will reduce the frequency of ballast replacements and save you time and money. When replacing ballasts, always use high-quality replacement parts. This will ensure that the fixture operates safely and reliably. If you are not comfortable replacing the ballast yourself, hire a qualified electrician to do the job. A qualified electrician will have the knowledge and experience to replace the ballast safely and correctly. Remember to dispose of the old ballast properly. Some ballasts contain hazardous materials that must be disposed of in accordance with local regulations. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that ballast replacements are performed safely and efficiently and that the lighting fixtures operate reliably for years to come. Always prioritize safety and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any doubts or concerns.